Hey guys, welcome back to Twisted Grip Garage. Today we're going to be installing this Stahlwerks roll bar on my 88 911 Carrera. Alright, so before we dive into the install, let me just give you guys a quick recap on what we've been doing to this car in the past here, over the past few months. So I think the last time the car was on the channel, I think we had just done the wheels. Guys, that's been like 2 years ago now. So just to kind of show you what's been going on, we have installed some RS door cards with the straps, the handles, got the power windows working, so all that works now. The power mirrors still do not work, got to figure that out. I have installed a fire extinguisher because I don't want this car catching on fire. I have installed a new panel back here. I cut some new wood, put some carpet over it to fix that because it looked atrocious. I have also installed a new top. It's loose right now because I've got it popped up, but it fits pretty good. It's not perfect by any means, but I'm not a professional top installer, so I'm just happy it works. I did install a bright red headliner when I was doing the top replacement, so I think that turned out really good. It kind of ties into the red there. The plan is to get all black carpet, get rid of the rear seats altogether, and get the front seats reupholstered in red. All right, so what we've been doing is, like I said, we got everything lined up, got everything working with the top. Got a nice faux suede headliner panel in the back. I have repaired this panel. This panel, when I bought the car, was in a box and it was busted in half. So I just kind of epoxied it back together because you can't find those pieces, and when you do find them, they're $1,000 because Porsche. So this has been epoxied back. I covered it in that same microfiber that this is, which is the same microfiber that this is. So it ties in nicely. I've also went ahead and microfibered that piece. Still got to do the side over there. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about when I epoxied it. So this is the rear trim panel that covers that mess over there. It's the side for here, right? So this will go in like that. And these pieces were also busted up when I got the car and in very bad shape. So this has got a speaker recess right here. I didn't cut this out because I'm not sure I'm gonna run speakers in the back. But the epoxy part of it is that all these little end pieces were chipped up and busted. This was actually missing. So what I did here is I took some it's kind of like cardboard, but it's more of a poster board, I guess, material. Made a backing plate and then used some epoxy to fill it on the back side here to where I could sand it down and get the surface relatively close to where it should be originally. And I had a couple cracks that I had to kind of epoxy back together just to make sure that this was now a usable piece. And once it's installed, you can't tell that it's ever been repaired or anything like that. So that's kind of what I was going for, just to get it back usable and cover up that nasty looking mess there. Okay, so today's agenda is going to be getting that roll bar installed, which is going to consist of me trying to wrangle these panels in and still be able to get the roll bar bolted in, because it bolts down here and it bolts to the original seat mounts. So yeah, I'm just gonna dive in. I'm gonna let you guys kind of just watch it through a I don't know, a time lapse or something. That way you're not just bearing with me, or suffering through my pain. So we'll speed it up for you guys and get it installed, and hopefully it turns out good. So all right, let's just dive in. right, guys, there it is. Pretty straightforward, simple install. Just bolted it to the floor down there and bolted to the seat mounts in the back, and it is stationary. Is it going to pass track inspection? Probably not. Am I tracking this car? Nope. Does it look cool? Absolutely. One of the things that I really like about it is once I get my seats done, well, first of all, I'll show you this. Everything clears good. I got plenty of clearance. It is touching the covers back here, like the little side panel trim pieces, but whatever. It's stationary against it, so it's not like it's going to rub a hole in anything. So I'm not too worried about that. But clearance wise, it clears it just fine. This is what I like, as you can see it from the back. So once I get the seats redone in that bright red, it's really going to stand out and look really good. So, but you know, for now, I think that's a job done. All right, guys, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching. Hope that was entertaining for you. I'm happy with how it came out. I think it looks great. I think it adds a little more attitude to the car. I mean, it's a street car, so it's not going to hit the track, but still, I think with the momos and the roll cage, I think it just adds something a little more, you know, a little more aggressive to it. So hit that like button. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing some more stuff soon. Thanks.